More wonderful things will soon be revealed. Come along, everyone. Let's explore in the field. The fields are full of magic. The little people knew. Come, take a closer look with us, so we can show you too. It's true, the fields have special powers. Just take a look at these colorful flowers. Yellow flowers. Pink flowers. Orange flowers. Purple flowers and mauve. With so much color, it's easy to see the fields are a treasure trove. The fields are a place where living things abound. Let's see what animals are here to be found. That's a horse, of course. You can tell at a glance. Their long nose, their mane, their fine, solid stance. In a group called a flock, you'll find these gentle creatures. They're called sheep. You can see they have wool-covered features. These creatures are cows. They eat grass every day. In a group called a herd, together they stay. These special creatures are known as deer. They're home in the fields with other animals they share. Goats also call the fields their home. It's where they live, where they're free to roam. Chickens always squabble and squeal as they peck the ground in search of a meal. Squirrels love to live in the field for the abundance of food they're able to yield. These fur-covered fellas have unusual habits. They live underground. They call themselves rabbits. The fields are where mice like to live. Food and shelter to this mouse they give. These animals are pigs. They make a strange oinking sound as they fossick around with their snouts to the ground. To the orchards next, where thanks to the bees, spring blossoms change into fruit on the trees. In the orchards, you'll find trees full of treasure. Delicious fruits of all flavors, their tastes will bring pleasure. Apples are a fruit with many colorful hues. Red apples, green apples, golden apples too. These fruit are called oranges. They're lovely to eat, with segments inside that taste oh so sweet. Lemons are a wonderful fruit, bursting with the power that comes from such a tangy juice some people find too sour. Peaches are a fabulous fruit. To taste one is a treat. Their flavor's so delicious, they're especially good to eat. These plump red fruit are called a plum. Anyone who's tried one usually says, "Yum!" apple tree branches are where apples come alive. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3, 4, and 5. They need water, good soil, and sunshine to thrive. There's 1 apple, 2 apples, 3, 4, and 5. Now it's time to move on. The little people knew. More magic encounters await me and you.